This video is sponsored by English Conti, Mobile Master, Mohammadi Furniture, Newson Fabrics Clothes Store, Shweta Dentistry, Fabric Spa, Millennium Men's Wear, and by Asian Mall. Spectra NDT engineers are providing NDT training along with quality assurance and quality control courses. साथ ही साथ पाइपिंग इंजीनियरिंग कोर्सेज भी यहाँ पर पढ़ाए जाते हैं. दिस इज विथ 100% प्लेसमेंट असिस्टेंट. हाल ही में मोहम्मद फैज दर्जी को मिला एक अचीवमेंट अवार्ड फ्रॉम इंडिया अचीवर्स अवार्ड, जो कि दिया गया उन्हें बेस्ट एनडीटी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करने के लिए.
The award for Best NDT Service Providers of the Year 2019 goes to Spectra NDT Engineers.
ये अवार्ड फेमस बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस दिया मिर्जा ने दिया. आइए जानते हैं कि एग्जैक्टली स्पेक्ट्रा एनडीटी इंजीनियर्स क्या है.
Hello, good evening everyone. Myself Mohammad Faiz, Managing Director Spectra NDT Engineers, and I would like to introduce my company Spectra NDT Engineers, which has been providing NDT training, consulting and services for past 2 years. We have very good established staff and qualified trainers, and we have placement assurity also to the students of NDT, QAQC as well as piping engineering. So we have opened our institute in Asian Business Center. So after completing the diploma or BE engineering, so you just please join the NDT course, and as well as we are providing 100% placement assurity also to all the students, and we have a very good track record. We have provided 100% placement to our past students. So I request to all the viewers, those are watching this channel, please do visit to Spectra NDT and join the NDT course and grab 100% placement in our institute. Thank you.
Myself Akhil Ahmad. We are providing NDT, QAQC and piping training. Please visit our office from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. at second floor Asian Business Center in Gulbarga.
Myself Anwar Hussain. I have completed my BTech from KCT Engineering College, and then I joined the Spectra NDT. I completed the course here in Spectra NDT level 2. The faculty is very good, and they have teach me a lot. They have teach me very nicely here. I have done the practical in all the 4 RT, LPT, DP and MPT. Then after completion of my NDT level 2, then Mr. Faiz Darzi, the Managing Director of Spectra NDT, has been told me to go to the shutdowns in the refineries. And then from last 1 year I have been going to the shutdowns. Nearly 5 shutdowns I have been done, 3 shutdowns in the NDT, and last 2 shutdowns I have been in the QC. Recently I have been in the Mangalore refineries and petrochemical last week. But totally I'm satisfied from the Spectra NDT, because many of my friends have been done the NDT in Hyderabad, but they are not getting the placement. But in Spectra NDT I am getting the placement, 100% placement. So I recommend you to do the NDT from Spectra NDT Gulbarga.
Hi, myself Mirza Kashif Beg, and I'm an engineering student. I have completed my engineering from KBN College of Engineering, and I'm currently working in Reliance Industries Limited, Gujarat. As per I've done my NDT course from Spectra NDT Institute, Business Center, Gulbarga. So now there is a huge demand in NDT field, so that's why there is a very huge impact on the field of NDT. So that's why I suggest to all the engineering students and diploma students of mechanical engineering branch to just join the Spectra NDT course, and there's a very huge placements going on here. So please join Spectra NDT and get placements, and your future will be bright. Thank you so much.
This video is sponsored by English Conti, Mobile Master, Mohammadi Furniture, New Sun Fabrics Clothes Store, Shweta Dentistry, Fabric Spa, Millennium Men's Wear, and by Asian Mall.